Getting injured on the job can be a traumatic experience. Having your workers' compensation claim denied can make this experience even more overwhelming. Your workers' compensation claim can be denied for a variety of reasons. It may be that you have a pre-existing medical condition. It may be that there was a delay in reporting your injury to your employer. Sometimes there's a case of alleged employee misconduct. Or your claim may be denied for no good reason at all. Unfortunately, employers and their carriers try to avoid liability for workers' compensation claims in certain circumstances, but that doesn't mean the denial was correct. In South Carolina, if you feel that your claim was unjustly denied, then you can appeal this decision by filing a request for hearing. This will bring your claim before the South Carolina Workers' Compensation Commission. It can be a complicated process at times, so let me walk you through the main steps of what to expect when you file a request for hearing. The first step will be to file your hearing request, or your Form 50, with the South Carolina Workers' Compensation Commission. The Commission is the body that overhears workers' compensation claims in the state. Once that request for hearing has been filed, the likely next step is that the defendants will want to take your deposition. This is a very important part of the process. A deposition is a chance for defendants to get your sworn testimony under oath. Now they'll ask you a variety of questions on different topics. For example, they may ask about your educational background. They may ask about your work history, or they may ask about prior injuries. They're going to want to ask questions about your workplace injury and what occurred. It's important for you to consult with an attorney before you sit down for this deposition. After your deposition, it's possible that your claim may require a mediation. A mediation is an informal process where we sit down with defendants and talk about your claim. We may discuss why the claim was denied, what benefits you're seeking, and whether or not we might be able to resolve your case for a lump sum. However, more likely than not, after filing a request for hearing and sitting down for your deposition, the next step will be to prepare for a full evidentiary hearing before a deputy commissioner. A deputy commissioner is a judge in the workers' compensation system. In preparing for the deputy commissioner hearing, you'll need to know what to expect. You're going to be sworn in under oath, and you're going to have to testify about how your accident occurred and what treatment you've had since that time. You're going to want to make sure that you have any witnesses prepared and that all your medical records are identified. After your hearing, the deputy commissioner will enter an order. The order will determine what benefits you're entitled to under the Workers' Compensation Act. Unfortunately, these decisions may not always go your way, but that doesn't mean you're out of options. You can still appeal this decision to the full commission. Now, it's important to be aware of the deadlines involved in filing the appeal. After receiving the order, you will want to file an appeal within 14 days. After you file your appeal, the next step will be a hearing before the full commission. Now, this is different than the hearing that you had before the deputy commissioner. You won't be required to testify this time. However, you will be required to be familiar with the facts of your case so that you can present the best argument about why your claim was wrongfully denied. At the full commission, you will have a 3-member panel that will review your case. They will review the claim de novo. And what I mean by that is they're going to be a fresh set of eyes looking at the evidence and making their own decision about your claim. If you are represented by counsel, the good news is that your attorney will be able to handle this for you on your behalf. Now, we understand this can be a daunting process. Here at the Law Offices of James Scott Farron, we have the resources and experience to guide you through the system. We can handle requesting your medical records, contacting witnesses, preparing you for deposition, and ultimately preparing your case for both the deputy commissioner and potentially a full commissioner hearing. Contact us today for more information. We're here to help.